In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Smartsheet. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently give someone full admin access to a project workspace. This is especially useful when you're onboarding a new project lead or giving someone responsibility for managing sheets, permissions, and structure within a workspace. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet project sheet. Make sure you're logged in with an account that already has the right to manage sharing, otherwise some of the options we'll use may not appear. Once your project sheet is open, look towards the top right of the screen for the Share button. Go ahead and click that. This opens the sharing panel, which is where you control who has access and what they can do. In the sharing panel, you'll see information about who currently has access to the sheet, and you should see an option that refers to access to everything in the workspace. Click that option. What this means is that the permissions you're about to set will apply across the entire workspace, not just this single sheet. That's important if you want your new admin to manage all related sheets and items within that workspace. Next, you'll see an area where you can add people. Click into the highlighted field where you can enter a contact. This is usually a box labeled for emails or names. Then, type in the email address or name of the team member you want to add. As you type, Smartsheet may suggest existing contacts. You can select the correct person from that list. Once the person is selected, look to the right of their name for the permission dropdown. It may default to something like Editor Can Share. Click that dropdown. You'll see different permission levels such as Viewer, Editor, Editor, Can Share, and Admin. First, the current selection will be highlighted. Click on that to expand the full list, then choose Admin from the list of permission options. Selecting Admin gives this team member the highest level of access within that workspace. They'll be able to manage sheets, structure, and sharing, so be sure you're assigning this level only to people who truly need it. When you've confirmed the correct person and permission level, go down to the bottom of the panel and click Share. This saves your changes and sends the invitation, officially granting them admin access to the workspace. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin team member to Smartsheet.